Hello YouTube, this is Miss Saucio2 here, and I am bringing you a tutorial on how to change the heads-up display in Team Fortress 2. And in this video, I will show you how to access the TF2 game files, how to back up the default HUD, how to install the custom HUD, and a brief display of the custom HUD itself. Alright guys, what we're going to start with is after you have downloaded the files that I've provided in the description link below, you will get a zipped file called PVHUD, and this is going to be version 2.06. And what we're going to do is we're going to open this Finder and we're going to unzip the folder. And once you have the folder unzipped, you have this PVHUD folder file itself, and it's going to contain these two files, the resource file and the scripts folder. Now what we're going to do at this point is we're going to go into our Finder, we're going to our library, application support, Steam folder, not logs, the Steam apps. Make sure you go to your username, and then you're going to have a list of games, and here you're going to go to Team Fortress 2, and make sure you go into the TF folder, just the TF folder, nothing else, and here you'll have your files for the HUD. Now the default HUD is going to be this one folder right here, this resource folder. Now what you can do to back it up is create a new folder on the desktop, name it whatever, TF2 in this case, mine's going to be called. Just go ahead and drag and drop that resource folder in there, and you'll see that the default HUD is in there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the PVHUD in our downloads folder, or wherever you have the folder downloaded into. You're going to drag the two folders, copy, go back into the TF, and then paste right inside the TF. So Command V, sorry, and then there you go, you see the resource and scripts files right here, and that's where the HUD is going to be downloaded in. If you guys don't know, you can just go ahead and go into one of the files, scripts here, and it's the HUD layout, HUD animations text. And here we go. I will show you now a brief display of how the custom HUD works. Now that's all you got to do. That was a simple little installation. There's nothing to it. And for the backup, you have this folder right here, and this has the default HUD. So if you ever want to change back to your default or change through different files, just make sure you always save your default or previous file into a new folder. It cleans up your screen a little bit more. And as you can see here, what we have is you have PVHUD version 2.06, and that's the one that we have. And if you notice, the picture and all the clutter down here of the advanced options and options are gone, and it's all condensed into this left spot right here. Now you guys will be wondering, oh, where did everything go? Now in these different little taskbars right here, you will have the loadout stats, it'll have the replays, the achievements, and the store. Options, you will have be a coach and your advanced options. In the browse servers, you will have offline practice training, create a server, and quick play. So it has all your essential information. The only thing that it does not have is items, but you can go into items by going into loadout and stats, insert your backpack right here, and it will show you all the items that you do have. Now let's go back and show you the HUD itself during real gameplay. Now let's go to the internet and go into a random game. First one here. Now let's let this load. Alright, now as you can see here is a very sleek introduction to the game. Instead of having the drop down screen like you're used to, you just have this little segment of any advertisements or server guidelines. So we're going to continue. And here you go, just a layout of what the map is and the objective. Continue, and here are your two selections for what team you want to be on. You have the auto join and the spectate. I'll go on the blue team. And here you go, here's the class selection. Now those of you who are concerned about, oh, I don't know how I'm going to be able to edit my loadout quickly, all you have to do is select the one that you have, don't click on anything, drag your mouse out as such, and go into edit loadout, and Pyro will show up and you will have your different classes to go through. So here we go, let's play as Pyro real quick. It'll load me in, and see if you notice on the bottom it will have your health on the left, what color team you are and what player you are currently, and on the right you have the amount of ammo you have in your weapon, and everything else is the same. So alright guys, leave me a like, subscribe, or favorite if you want to. That's if you really like these tutorial series and if you want me to continue keep doing more. So thank you, and I hope you guys do enjoy this, and comment if you want any more, if you want any specific requests. And this is Mr. Saucio 2. Thank you.